Basic criminal law principles also apply to white-collar crimes. Generally, the government must prove that the defendant had the required mental state, or mens rea, and the government must also show that the defendant committed the requisite criminal act, or actus reus. However, these elements tend to be more complicated in white-collar crimes. Federal statutes provide for more than 100 different types of mens rea, and none has a singular, consistent definition. Some statutes even specify a different mens rea for different elements of the same offense. Sometimes a mens rea isn't specified. Some of the most common mental states include no mens rea at all, knowingly, willfully, and corruptly. Some offenses are strict liability offenses, meaning no mens rea is required. These crimes are known as regulatory or public welfare offenses. They are minor offenses prohibited primarily to achieve a regulatory goal. Even a sincere, reasonable mistake about the facts or law won't excuse a defendant from criminal liability. Next, let's consider knowingly. What does a defendant have to know? Under traditional criminal law principles, a mistake of fact may negate the necessary mens rea, but a mistake of law is generally not an excuse. In the white-collar crime context, sometimes it's enough if the defendant knows he took a particular action regardless of whether he knew that action was illegal. But sometimes the defendant must also know that his action was unlawful. Consider these examples.